Friends, have a pleasant day. Every human being is a bundle of potential and needs ignition. A spark from someone, somewhere, at some time may ignite your potential. With the hope that someone will get the spark that will ignite his inner potential, I share this anecdote. This is about a chessboard. When I say a chessboard, what comes to your mind? A board with simple black and white checks? A game with moving the pieces on the board? It's not a game for me, only intelligent people can play it, etc. For me, chess was nothing but a game of strategy. It involves lot of thinking, calculations and predictions. Unlike most other games, it requires intelligence. But never have I imagined that this 8x8 board could hold lessons of philosophy in it. It was a moment of revelation when I came across the article Lesson from a Chessboard in the magazine named Frozen Thoughts. Let me share the same with you. Lesson from a chessboard. Just a few steps away from success. The lesson is just a few steps away from success. Visualize the chessboard with the pieces on it. In the first row are lined what are called the powers. A pair of rooks, a pair of bishops, a pair of knights, a king and a queen. In the second row are lined 8 pieces, the pawns. Though we call the pieces in the first row as powers, they have one handicap. A rook can only be a rook till the very end of the game. A bishop, only a bishop, and a knight, only a knight. Whether you see them only as the rook, bishop or knight, or as an amateur chess player would call them as the elephant, rook, the camel, bishop and the horse, knight. It doesn't matter. But all the 3 so-called powers symbolize the lower forms of creation, animals, which are born to a nature, live within their nature and die to their nature. Though at birth, most animals are functionally more capable than a human being, their curse is that they are limited by their nature. So are the so-called powers on the chessboard, the rook, the bishop and the knight. Now, what about the other 2 pieces, the king and the queen? Like what Shakespeare said, some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. The king represents, in Shakespeare's parlance, those that are born great. The queen represents those that have greatness thrust upon them. The queen, by virtue of being the king's wife, has greatness thrust upon her. Of course, in cases like the Queen of Great Britain, the reverse is true. However, even the pieces of the king and the queen have the same handicap of being born to a nature, living within that nature and finally dying to that nature. Now, let us focus on the pawns. To me, they represent what Shakespeare referred to as those that achieve greatness. Every pawn is just 6 moves away from becoming the queen, the most powerful piece on the board. For those who are not aware of the rules of the game in depth, the pawn, if he reaches the last row in the opposite side, he is treated as a queen. What all the moves permissible for a queen is also permitted to this particular pawn. The pawn actually represents the common man, you and me. Though we are born to a nature, we are bestowed with the ability to transcend our nature. We may be born in a middle class family, but we can scale up to such heights in this lifetime by bringing about an industrial revolution. V.G. Panir Das is one such person. We may be born to parents who are not highly educated, but we can die as a world-renowned scholar. Whether Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is coming to your mind now? We may have been considered a misfit during our childhood, but we can become role models for future generations. Thomas Alva Edison. What we are, what we have been, has no bearing on what we can become. We alone can proclaim, even on the days we have failed, so what? We are just an evening away from greatness. Like the pawns, we are born to a nature, but do not have to die to that same nature. We are like the pawns, just few moves away from greatness. Just a few steps away from success. Wishing you all to achieve greatness in your life. Thank you.